How to fix blank rate dot appears on phone app on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your settings app. Scroll down, head towards the option of general. Now open this option software update. If any updates are available for your device, just update your phone software to its latest version. And then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, scroll down, click on the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset all settings. Now enter your passcode over here to continue with the process, and then hit back. Click on this option of shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. After you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes, turn it back and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards last solution, you can first restart your device. For that, press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, press and hold the side button. When the Apple logo appears, release the side button. Once you apply all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix blank rate dot appears on phone app on iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.